Hi friends, it's Liz here at Liz the Paper Project. This is just a quick video because I have to do a redraw for winner number 2 of my last giveaway. Winner number 1 already contacted me, Alessandra, so congratulations again, Alessandra. But as I mentioned, I was going to give the second everybody time to contact me, and I have not heard from winner number 2, so I'm redrawing. And winner number 2 now is AJCA. So congratulations, you'll be getting a $10 certificate to On a Whimsical Adventure. $10 gift certificate, and check out Anya's shop. She's got amazing digitals, which is some of the ones I work with as well. And any questions, comments, please leave those below. And yeah, I hope you guys are staying healthy, staying home, and I will see you guys very soon with some tutorials, some more journal with me videos, the next details for my next giveaway coming up very soon. And if you haven't subscribed, you might want to, because I've got giveaways happening. I'm trying to do one at least a month, every month, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah, thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.